What's that? What's that? Another day, another vlog. Open, please. Baby Noah, it's already 2 months now. As you can see, still breastfeeding. Yan. And Dylan, it's... How old are you? Quanti ani ay? 3. Almost 3. And you?
18.
18. And I am 22.
Yay!
Yay! Pero daddy, it's 22 years old. Yes? Yes. So guys, recently sobrang init ngayon sa Italy. I think it's like Philippines. It's too hot, no? Since Sharon is here in
Daddy, Sharon
Sim. Yeah, Sim. Since Sharon is having vacation here for some days dito sa amin. Sa Milan siya, di ba? Work siya sa Milan. Nancy wants to go to the pool since 3 months already, I think. Yeah. So I think this is the perfect day for us. I just finished some of the work, and Dylan will not go to school. Sharon is here, so we decided to go to the pool. Ano siya? One very big. Teka lang guys. Wait guys. I sit here like this. I have light also. Yan. One very big pool in what is the name of the place? Tortoreto. In Tortoreto, Italy. It's actually a very big pool, so I hope it's not crowded since it's Wednesday. I hope.
My friend said went on Saturday. She said it was not
Saturday not busy.
not that busy because of the weather a bit.
Okay. So since it's Wednesday, it's actually a perfect day, no, to go to the swimming pool because for sure not so many people there, and we hope not so many people because if it's too many people, it's long line to do the slides, and it's too crowded in the swimming pool. I want you sometimes you want to relax, swim, no. Yeah, so I think we are going to travel for an hour. Yeah. And Sharon is coming, of course. Yeah, so now sobrang aga pa naman guys. So we are having our breakfast. And si Dylan, galit yan eh. Are you angry?
He's touching his wound in the
Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that? Huh? Don't scratch it. Later will hurt more. No. And see baby Noah, it's 2 months na, like what I said before.
We are not bringing him.
But Noah is not coming today because it's too hot. For sure. Kaya it's better he stay to the nona, lolo, lola. Yeah.
Even under the umbrella anyway, it's hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
The wind and no wind.
Because last year we went to the swimming pool with Dylan and with Nancy's friend, and it's really, really hot. So it's for sure for Noah it's suffering for sure. Anyway, guys,
we are not going only because I want to go, but also for Dylan.
For Dylan to enjoy. It's in a while, summer's finished. Yeah, we have a surprise for you. We're going somewhere that most of you for sure knows, but we cannot tell you now. We will tell you when we are already there. No?
Yeah.
Because long story. We will tell you everything when we are on that vacation.
And we are preparing.
Yeah, or when we are preparing.
Which probably will be the day before.
The day before.
Not on
That will be on September. Alright. Huh?
I'm morning.
You ready? Swimming pool.
Tea.
Bravo.
School.
Swimming pool.
Pool.
See, sim.
Sim.
Wait, Noah. Oh, you ready? You're not coming. You're going to Nona. Ay. When you're a little bit big, you come, okay? Ay.
Ay.
You ready, Dylan?
Eh?
Are you ready?
Tea already.
You ready?
Tea
Okay.
already.
Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Alora, let's go. Wait, mommy. Mommy's still inside. Do a blue. Okay. Let's go. And guys, so we are very excited because you know, swimming pool, it's nice with the kids. I remember when I was a kid, when we go to the swimming pool, all day I'm in the pool, and my hands are already like
The wrinkles.
with the wrinkles, and I'm so black. Pero we never put sunscreen. We put oil.
In the Philippines?
Yeah, no, we put on sunscreen. But when I was a kid, it's just oil. So ngayon papunta kami sa bahay nila Nancy kasi iiwan namin si Noah. Who will take care of Noah? Mama. Oh, Mama.
You scared
I
Daddy.
got scared. You scared me, Dylan. Hello, so because we have to pick up Sharon and to leave Noah. I'm so sorry for Noah because for sure later he will suffer with the heat. That's for sure.
Oh, I'm sorry to leave it,
To leave him
to leave him at home
while we enjoy.
while we enjoy. But anyway, he would not enjoy. So it's okay.
Yeah, he will just cry.
No, not cry, but
I mean the heat. It's not good for the
also for
babies
us.
like this.
The fact that he doesn't walk, you need to always hold him in the arms. One of us need to
Need to
always
stay. Are you happy? Zia Sharon, sit here, okay? Zia Sharon, sit here. Here, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Uy.
Where's your slippers? Jukaduto. Okay. Jukaduto. Papunta doon is like 1 hour. Ayan. 1 hour ang aming babiyahin. 85 kilometers. So highway naman yan lahat, guys. Tingnan nyo dyan, highway naman siya. Halos. Yan. This is a highway. Yan. Hanggang dire-diretso hanggang dito. Dito yung school ni Nancy. Yan, ang San Benedetto del Tronto. Yan yung school ni Nancy. Nandyan. Yan. Then lalagpasan lang natin yon and then we're here. 1 hour. Bukas siya ng 10 o'clock. So, sakto lang dating natin doon. 10:15. And then, yeah. Alright. Let's go na. Are you excited? You have water? Excited. Excited. Sing na yung tong pakitong. Day, sing. Alima.
Sa katat, makita masarap.
Mahirap. Uli. Yes.
Ay, latte.
Pero sa pagkat nangangagat. Ciao, Zia.
Io sto qui. Ciao, buongiorno.
Ciao, buongiorno.
Io Teresa vi devo portare cose piccole perché non so se lo sai. In piscina.
In piscina.
Andiamo,
Bravo.
dai, andiamo.
Andiamo. Okay, 1 hour. Let's go.
Hai visto camione pulita?
Let's go.
Sì.
When I look
scusate. No, ragazzi, metto i salvagenti qua e questo
Dylan.
salvagenti.
Vediamo
Questa è
senti.
mia, guarda, questa è mia.
E pesa. Questa pesa tanto.
Sì, pesa.
No, vuoi portare questa?
We just arrived niyan family. Ano kami sa mukhang maraming tao, mukhang puno ang parkingan. But let's hope for the best. Yes.
Se ti pesa vengo io. Se non pesa l'ultimo.
Ok, andiamo.
Non ce ne andiamo. Vai.
Andiamo.
Andiamo veloce.
Andiamo là.
Tieni la mano. La mano Lesia. Very hot.
Però not too much.
Yeah. Not too much, it's very hot. I mean, not too much. Very hot, but not too much. Che
No,
cari.
nel senso, qua stage vuole gialla.
Aspetta, perché è ancora presto.
10 metri.
Parcheggio, è finito.
Sono solo 33 top.
Guarda, è finito.
Che arriviamo là.
Finito il parcheggio qua sopra.
Perché abbiamo
Right,
mangiato
bili mo
tutto
tayo
la
ticket.
prima volta.
And show you later. Ok. Spesa gratis. Va a vedere? Gratis? Allora gratis. Questo è gratis.
Ready to go now. On my way. I won't let fear hold me back. It's here to stay. On my way. All of my dreams, and now a step away. So here
La macchina.
Metti dentro tu, metti dentro.
I don't wanna stop at the casino. I don't wanna stop and see the broken lights. I wanna stay down your poker face. I wanna break down in your embrace. And I don't wanna go to El Camino. I don't wanna be your friend.
Uwi na. Whew. Pagod. Negro so much na. Nancy's burned. You're burned. Classic. Also Sharon.
Anch'io è normale.
Normale.
Dov'è
Dylan more.
Dylan, sei stanco? Dylan sempre più scuro. Sei contento?
Là.
Sei contento?
No, no, sì, sì.
Sei felice?
Domani torniamo?
Vuoi tornare ancora? Facciamo ancora swim? Sì. Fa venire con nonno.
Sì.
Sì, sì.
Sì.
Uwi na. Are you ready?
Ready to pesca.
See, you're ready. Pesca. Uwi na, guys. So, sunog na tayo. Ngayon lang nakapagsalita ulit kasi dun sa pwesto namin may malakas na music. So, there is copyright can be copyright na. Kaya hindi nakapagsalita. So, ayun na lang. Parang behind the scene na lang ang dating. No? So, bawi na kami. Another 1 hour. Another 1 hour ang biyahe namin. At, I need to work. Still need to work sa bahay. Some shooting sa bahay. And then, yes. Let's see later kung ano mangyari.
Mangiare così nei masturbi.
Did you enjoy Dylan?
Mordi,
oggi?
zia, mordi.
Torniamo domani? Guarda, sunog na sunog oh. Yun oh. Torniamo domani?
Ti va?
Sì.
Sì.
Io domani.
Sì, ok.
Domani.
Va bene.
Anzi, sì.
Okay, let's go. Dito na kami sa bahay. Non-family. Dumaan kami sa grocery. Bumili kami ng bought some beers. Yan, ito. Hindi ko muna babanggitin, baka marinig. At ito, banana and some tonic water. For party. No. What do you want? Banana. Okay. Kasi kahapon pa nagre-request si Dylan ng banana. Ngayon lang kami nakadaan ng supermarket. Actually, habang bumibili ako ng banana, si Nancy message sa akin, Dylan, meron mapipi! Mapipipi na si Dylan. And Noah was crying and like too much message. Huh?
One second was crazy, like suddenly after everything.
Suddenly. Huh? Alright. So, magliligpit muna ako. Yan, family. At sobrang pagod. Pauwi kami, tulog silang tatlo. Nancy, Dylan, and Sharon.
Only the last 10 minutes.
Last 10 minutes.
Yes.
And negro na naman, oh. Ang kulay. Super dark na naman. Ay, it's okay.
Prepare some dinner.
Yeah, now dinner time na. Prepare na ng dinner. Alright. What's that? What's that? What are you doing? Treno. Wow. Yippee. Oh guys, mabilisan lang ang aming dinner tonight kasi sobrang pagod. And we want to chill later after dinner. I don't know if Nancy wants to chill.
I want to sleep.
You asked me to buy beer?
I drink now.
Okay. Now the beers. Okay. Now we drink the beers. And then, itlog lang kami ngayon guys. You know? Nilagang itlog because we spent too much today. So, we just eat it.
You spend too much. We don't have nothing in the fridge actually.
Yeah, we don't have nothing in the fridge actually. Ubus na yung aming fridge. So, kailangan namin mag-grocery. Quick grocery lang yung ginawa ko kanina. So guys, meet our baby Noah, Gabriel. So, you guys decide. No, not decide. You guys tell us who is who. Oh. Wow! So guys, kasi si Noah, it's totally different yung face niya from Dylan. So, tell us kung sino ang kamukha. No? Yan guys, so let's see kung sino kamukha. You tell us guys, at least from your point of view, you can tell us, no? Kasi si Dylan ay more Filipino. And people are saying, Noah, it's more Italian. So,
More like me.
like Nancy. And my parents is, they were saying na kamukha ng Nono Rosano niya. So, you guys tell us, like this, we have an idea, no? Alright, so, kain na kami. Ang pagkain ay ito. Ayan. Healthy, plus eggs. We don't have anything in the fridge. So. show the fridge. Ito yung aming fridge. Fridge reveal.
More vegetables.
We have more beers, vegetables, fruits, 1 bottle of water, and some
This is
Italian thing.
the refined meat. That
Meat,
we don't want to
yeah,
eat.
and milk of
Yogurt,
Noah,
Milk of Noah.
yogurt,
Yogurt.
and everything here. Yeah. So, yan ang aming fridge. Ito yung aming rice for today. Yan. Ang aming lunch. Pesto with zucchini and rice. Yan, gawa ni Nancy. What's your photo? Oh.
No, a Vespa.
Vespa, oh. Fato.
Kiss.
E poi, che facciamo?
A mama.
A mamma. A mamma. Poi, a Dylan.
A daddy.
A daddy. Poi,
Poi non manca.
no manca. Yan guys, so, like what we said, we have a surprise for you, but we will not tell you now. Later. Later or later. Alright. Kain tayo, kain. Let's go. Gutom na.
Daddy,
Egg 2.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we